Okay, welcome back everybody. So we're continuing with Brownie for blockchain development. Today this is going to be the first step is just going to be how to initialize Brownie in this video. And the next we're going to talk about how to bake a project. So for right now I'm just going to do how to initialize Brownie to get this thing going, okay? And then after that we're going to do how to bake a project. So first let's come down here to how to initialize Brownie for our project. So first, what we need to do is after we type the word Brownie, so I've already typed the word Brownie, and that will activate the Brownie environment. So make sure once you've already installed it from the last video that I showed you, go and just type the word Brownie. Okay. Now let's make a new directory for our project right here. Okay. So I'm going to go under my directory that I already have created, Brownie projects. I'm going to go Mkdir, and I'm going to call this Brownie project 2. All right. So that just created this directory called Brownie project 2. Now we need to change or navigate into the directory you just created by typing cd and the directory name. So mine's going to be, oops, typo there. Mine's going to be cd Brownie project 2. So cd Brownie capital project 2. And now I'm in my project folder. Okay. So now all we need to do once we're in the directory is we need to initialize this directory for our project. So we do this by typing Brownie init. Let's come back over here to our terminal and Brownie init. And that message pretty much always pops out. Info could not find files for the given pattern. So I wouldn't worry about it if that's the case with yours. So over here we have success. A new Brownie project has been initialized. And it shows the path and the directory name. So that's it for this video. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to actually get a Brownie project going, and it's going to be an exciting one. So I'll see you back in the next video. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.